am going to be finishing up my smoothie while I film this video, so hopefully it doesn't get all over my lips. This is my daily pregnancy smoothie that I've been drinking throughout my pregnancy. So good. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time blogger and content creator, currently living in Phoenix, Arizona with my parents. I am 35 and a half months pregnant, can you imagine? With my first baby, a baby boy who will be here in about a month. So unfortunately, my partner of 10 years and I split over halfway through my pregnancy. So it's something that I never expected and I really just never could have imagined. But when I go into labor, he's not going to be there, and my mom is actually going to be the one going to the delivery room with me. So my life just changed exponentially in the past 3 months, basically. I did share a video talking about that, which I will link for you guys if you want to know a little bit about that story and what's been going on in my life. I've just really had to try to be as positive as possible for baby, just because that's what he deserves. And it's been difficult, but I have been doing my best. And I've continued to create a lot of pregnancy related content on my social media platforms, just like the content that I had planned on doing before this big breakup. It's been a little bit challenging just because I constantly feel like I have to kind of explain the fact that I am now doing this single and give kind of like a little bit of a background on that, but it is what it is. So anyway, I've been doing a lot of filming today. I had a campaign to shoot this morning. I actually just filmed a nursery room tour. I'm going to be editing these videos in my last month of pregnancy and sharing them with you guys. So today's video is actually going to be a pack my hospital bag with me, what's in my hospital bag. I actually did a lot of research about what other people recommended, and then I also have a list that I'm going off of that my good friend sent me. She has had 2 babies in the hospital now, so I'm basically just going off of that. So here is my hospital bag from Dagny Dover. I also have their diaper bag and a portable changing pad from them that they were kind enough to send me. So these zippers actually can snap to make the bag a little bit smaller. I've unsnapped them because I need it to be bigger. And it also has this like shoulder strap that you can strap on, or you can carry it like this. And this also snaps. And there are so many compartments on the side, inside. So these are like seriously amazing. So I'm going to start off with what's in my hospital bag currently first. Okay, so I actually got the Freedom Mom Labor and Delivery Postpartum Kit. This was on my baby registry and it came very highly recommended from several YouTuber moms that I follow. So pretty much everything in this kit is in my hospital bag currently. So first up we have this bag here. This is like their toiletries bathroom bag. But I wanted to show you guys this 5-step system here. So basically this kit includes a peri bottle, which I've been told is much better than the one at the hospital. And so basically you would cleanse with the peri bottle, put on the postpartum underwear, disposable postpartum underwear, cool and absorb with the instant maxi pads that they provide, soothe with perennial cooling pad liners, and then relieve pain with the perennial healing foam. So it's kind of like a 5-step system to basically relieve pain down there, which I know that I'm definitely going to want. So I'm so glad that I have this. So I'll show you guys. Basically, here is the perennial healing foam, their perennial cooling pad liners, and 4 regular boy short briefs. The Perry bottle is in this little sack right there. And then I also put in this bag my Earth Mama organic nipple butter and Earth Mama organic perennial balm if I need something a little bit extra to moisturize and soothe down there. Earth Mama actually sent me their postpartum kit as well, a lot of which I have here in this dresser, but I included these in my hospital bag. So here is what the instant cold therapy and absorbent pads look like. So there are 4 of those in the kit, and that is in my hospital bag currently. I also have this bag here. This is a hospital set that the maternity brand Seraphine sent me, which I'm very glad that I have, because this includes a robe. Oh, I also forgot. These Freedom Mom socks I have in this bag, but they came with that Frida Mom kit. Okay, so this comes with a robe. I have it all kind of like nicely tied up right now. And the robe can be worn over the other 3 pieces in the set. So one of which is this nightgown. And I actually tried on the one that the Frida Mom kit came with, and this one fits me much better. The Frida Mom one is a one size fits all, but it is just like a tent on me. This one fits me much better, so this is the one I'm going to bring to the hospital. So that is the nightgown, which my friend actually told me that you're just going to want to wear the nightgown that the hospital provides you, because you're going to end up very bloody and just like there's so many bodily fluids going on that you wouldn't really want to ruin your like nice nightgown with. So just to wear the one that they provide during labor. So it also comes with this nursing top here. This flaps open so that you can nurse, and that can be worn with the sweatpants that they provide, kind of like these jogger style sweatpants with a really nice stretchy high waistband, which you can also wear under the nightgown if you are extra cold, which I probably will be in the hospital, and then you can wear the robe over any of those 3 pieces. So, and then I'm actually probably going to be wearing the nursing top and joggers into the hospital and when I leave the hospital, I believe. So, excuse me, I'm sorry, I am like burping constantly at this point. So just to show you guys, this has so many different compartments on the sides, all 4 sides. It also comes with this sack here that I'm assuming I could put like shoes in or something, or just something wet. And then also I have packed the Earth Mama booby tubes, which were in that Earth Mama postpartum kit. You can microwave these, you can stick them in the fridge, and then basically just tuck them inside your bra in between nursing to kind of soothe any breast pain. So the Dagny Dover bag also has this great little pouch here to put like your cell phone in, headphones, that kind of a thing. And I'm actually definitely going to be using this as like a weekender bag as well. So super love that. I'm also going to be bringing my pillow, which is a Tempur-Pedic pillow, and my pregnancy pillow from Leech Co, which I've had since the beginning of my pregnancy. My partner had bought this for me, so I'm gonna bring that just because at this point I cannot sleep without it. And I know that I'm gonna wanna be as comfortable as possible in the hospital, so I'm gonna have to lug this along with me. Okay, so here is everything else that is on that list that my friend sent me. So pillow and body pillow, which I showed you guys, a blanket. Oh, a blanket. I have like a travel blanket, like a travel kit, which I'll have to see if I can find that. Oh, I think it's in my Jeep. Okay, so I'll probably bring that blanket because it's like nice and thin, but still warm. Nighties, so I do have that one nightie. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up bringing the Freedom Mom one anyway, or maybe I'll just have my other outfit to wear, so we'll see. Going home outfits, so like I said, I'm planning on wearing the nursing top and jogger into the hospital, and when I leave the hospital, extra long charger, slides, which I don't have. I'm probably gonna have to buy some from just like Target or something, just because that would probably be a lot easier to get in and out of. Although I do love that those socks from Freedom Mom have grippies on them so that if I do walk around, I won't slip. Shampoo and conditioner, face wash, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste. It would be nice to have travel size options for those things, so I might end up picking up those things in the travel size. If not, I'll have to just bring them in the original size, but I don't have a ton of room in my hospital bag. I do have that diaper bag that I could put stuff in too, but we'll see if I end up getting travel size or not. Hair ties, brush, makeup. So a lot of those things I'm just going to pack the week of his due date, or even maybe on the day that I end up leaving to the hospital, because obviously I need my makeup like every day until then. So also on here is a Perry bottle, check, have that in the Freedom Mom kit. Nipple cream, check, I have the one from Earth Mama. A nursing bra, which I have 2 of. I do still need those up until the due date though, so I'm going to have to pack those probably last minute. Deodorant, and let's see here, comfy socks, I have those ones from Freedom Mom. A robe I have in my Seraphine kit, and okay, I had to plug my laptop in, but also on that list was an eye mask, which I actually definitely can't sleep without my eye mask, so I'm gonna have to make sure that I bring that. Silverettes, which are also used for cooling the breast nipple area, and my friend is actually sending me a kit of breastfeeding type things like breast pump, silverettes, that kind of stuff, because she does not need them anymore, so that's going to be very, very nice, and that was very kind of her. So I'll pack those when I get them. And then also she recommended to me to bring frozen colostrum, so to start collecting colostrum. I ordered some syringes just to basically collect the colostrum, suck them up, and then store them in my fridge, and then put them on ice and bring them to the hospital, stick them in the fridge at the hospital. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to do that because it is really, really good for baby, but my OBGYN told me not to do that until 37 weeks pregnant when I am full term, because otherwise it's considered like nipple stimulation, and that can basically trigger early labor, which wouldn't be a good thing. So I'm hoping that once I'm at 37 weeks, I'll be able to start collecting at least some for baby's due date. So wish me luck there. At 37 weeks, I'm also going to start eating dates and drinking pregnancy tea. Both of my really good friends who are moms recommended to me to do those things, And basically my OBGYN said to wait till 37 weeks. So that is what I'm doing, and planning on starting that basically at that time. Okay guys, so that is everything that I am planning on bringing with me to the hospital. Of course, there are probably a few things I left off that other people would maybe bring. It's kind of just like a personal preference, what's going to make you feel comfortable there. But I feel like this is a really good starting point for anyone who is watching this video, because they're trying to figure out what to bring with them to the hospital. Like I said, I did some research, and then I had some advice given to me from friends who've had babies. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and if you guys would share my channel with someone that you think would enjoy my content, that would be amazing. And that is such a great way to support me and help me grow on here. I've really been focusing on trying to grow my YouTube channel, so any help that I can get is much appreciated. Also, be sure to follow along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling, and check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more lifestyle content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!